African drumming lesson for you. This is a 4-part African rhythm. You don't necessarily need a djembe drum like I've got here. I'll show you in a minute how we can adapt that onto some household objects. Okay, so it's in 4 parts. This is the first one. You need to say the words jibba jabba djembe. On a djembe drum I'm going to play it like this. Jibba jabba djembe, jibba jabba djembe, jibba jabba djembe, jibba jabba djembe. If you can, create 2 tones. I've got high notes and low notes. You'll be able to hear those. The second part of the rhythm starts on the low part of the drum, and you say the words djembe, jibba jabba, djembe, stop. Djembe, jibba jabba, djembe, stop. Djembe, jibba jabba, djembe, stop. The third part of the rhythm, you're going to say 1, 2, jibba jabba, stop. 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 And the last part of the rhythm uses a cowbell, and it is a rhythm called a cuckoo rhythm. And just say the words cuckoo rhythm, cuckoo rhythm, cuckoo rhythm, cuckoo rhythm. This is what it sounds like all put together. Everybody, welcome back. That's how it should have sounded like on an authentic djembe drum. As I said, we're going to adapt it for some household items now. So for the first grouping, I've picked this Tupperware bowl, and I'm using the sounds of the Tupperware to make it sound like the djembe drum. So jabba jabba djembe. High notes, then low notes. High, low. Wooden spoon, and another type of pot, just to give it a different sound. Stop. Then I've got our bread bin. My wife will kill me. 1, 2, jabba jabba stop. 1, 2, jabba jabba stop. And the final one, I used a pizza tray and a metal spoon to make it a really high noise for the cuckoo rhythm. And this is what it sounds like all put together. you enjoyed that African drumming lesson, guys. Keep your eyes peeled for more to come. Thanks, bye!